Alright, so let's just wait 3 more minutes for the others. So tatapusin na lang natin tong question number 2 and then that's it for now. Okay, so the rest will be continued next meeting. Okay. So tapusin lang natin to hanggang question number 2. 2, 4, 6, 7. So, ilan pa? 6 pa or 5. Kung 12 tayo kanina. I think naging 13 pa eh. So, 6 pa yung wala. Dami pa. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright. So, okay, so tapusin na lang pala natin hanggang sample problem number 4. Para naman mahaba-haba tong part 4 na i-upload ko sa YouTube mamaya para kung sakaling panoorin nyo, hindi naman 2 minutes or 3 minutes lang. Okay. Okay, so tapusin natin tong question number 2 for sample problem number 2. So translate into English. So would you please answer this one, Mr. Kabuwag? Or do we have any volunteers? Bilang ako nagtatawag. Meron ba tayong volunteers who wants to answer question number 2? Anyone? Okay. Since wala, so could you please answer this one, Mr. Kabuwag?
If the car will start. If the car will start, then...
So ito. Tulungan na lang kita. So kapag ganito, pwede ka na lang gumamit ng it is not the case that. Okay? Kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin not lang. So if the car will start, then it is not the case that
the head gasket is blown or there is water in the cylinders.
Tama. Okay. Alright, so very good. How about sample problem number 3? So construct the truth table for the expression P and not Q or Q. Okay? So again, kapag meron tayong two statements, so you have all you have to do is get all the possible results. So we have true, 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 false, false, true, and then false, false. And then meron tayong hint dito wherein yung not Q is just basically the negation of this Q. So from true, it became false. From false, it became true. From true, it became false. And then false became true. Alright? So, ganun lang naman kapag may negation. So, ang kailangan nating gawin na next is this one. Okay, so we have to know the value of this P and not Q using those 4 possible results. So, here's the solution or the answer to the problem number 3. So, nauna na yung itong tatlo kanina. Ito na yung susunod. P and not Q. Okay? So, pwede na kayo mag-focus lang dito sa P and not Q natin. So, again, kapag and, P, and false or true and false is false. And then true and true is true. And then false and false is false. And then false and true is false. So again, sa conjunction or sa end, saka lang tayo magkakaroon ng magkakaroon ng true na result kapag lahat ng proposition ay true. Pero kapag merong isa na false, okay, then that is already false. Okay? So, did you guys get this one so far on how did we get those values?
Sir, so if dalawang false pa rin, false pa rin.
Yes, sa end.
Okay, sir.
Alright? So, wala naman sigurong confused. Okay, so moving on. Kapag meron na kayong values neto, okay, so mas madali na naman ulit. So, ito, yung pinaka-last is P and not Q or Q. So, since meron na to, so pwede kayong dito na tumingin, P and not Q, at saka sa Q. Okay, etong dalawa. So, gagamit naman tayo ng OR ngayon. So, true or false is true. False or true is true. True or false is true. And then false or false is false. So again, in disjunction or in OR, we will only have a false value, okay, if all of the statements are false. But if there is at least one, okay, true statement, then the entire statement is already true. Okay, so that's how we've got those results or values. Okay. So did you guys get it so far? Or
Yes, sir.
medyo gulo? Okay. So, hindi tayo pwede magtagal dito ng 10 minutes. So, I highly advise kung sakaling medyo na confuse ka. So, all you need to do is go back from our first slides. Yung mga conjunction natin, disjunction, and so on and so forth. Para maintindihan mo kung paano tayo nag-come up with those values. Okay? Okay, so let's have this last example. So, sample problem number 4. Construct the truth table for the expression. So, not P and Q, conditional not P or not Q. Okay? Meron bang answer yan? Meron palang answer. Okay? So again, yung first step natin is alamin natin kung ilan yung variables. Okay? So dito, dalawa lang naman. Okay? As you can see, P and Q only. And then list all of the possible combinations. So we have true, 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 false, false, true, and then false, false. Then after that, so you can now evaluate one by one. So, yung pinakauna natin is P and Q, which is this one. Okay? And then the next one is sinama na yung not. Okay? Not, P, and Q. So, actually, mas madali kung unahin mo muna tong P and Q. So, again, and. So, true and true is true. True and false is false. False and true is false. And then false and false is false. Okay? So, meron tayong negation dito. So, all you to do is negate these values. So, from true, it will become false. From false, it will become true. From false, it will become true. And then false will become true. So, ito na yung value ng not P and Q natin. Okay? So, yung kailangan na lang natin is this one. Okay? So, dito, yung approach niya is kinuha niya muna yung not P at saka not Q. Okay? So again, negate mo lang yung mga values ng P. So yung true, naging false. True, naging false. False, naging true. False, naging true. The same with Q. True became false. False became true. True became false. False became true. Then afterwards, you can now evaluate this not P or not Q. So, ilagay mo lang yung OR dito sa gitna. So false or false is still false. False or true is true. True or false is true, and then true or true is true. Okay, so meron ka na nung values ng dalawa. Ito, at saka ito. So all you do is combine them with the use of conditional. So focus ka na lang dito sa dalawang to. Okay? So false, conditional false is true. True, conditional true is true. And then true, conditional true is true. And then true, conditional true is true. Okay? So, kapag gagawin nyo siya gamit ang, say, yung utak nyo lang, pag simulation lang gamit ang utak nyo, so medyo mahirap. So kailangan nyo talagang isulat siya sa paper. Okay, so, and para mas madali, so pwede nyo isa-isahin ito. Ito muna, and then bago yung negation, and then ito din muna, itong individual negation nila, and then bago mo i-combine itong or. Then after that, pwede mo nang gamitin yung dalawa. So, conditional na yung next. So, depende sa approach nyo. Kasi kapag i-evaluate nyo sila, so meron naman maraming ways kung paano siya i-evaluate. Pero ito yung isa sa mga way para i-evaluate itong expression na to. Okay? So, all of the results are true. Okay? So, did you guys get this one so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Okay? So, next meeting na tong assignment number 1. Okay? So, 42 out of 53. So, we wasn't able to finish the part 1. So, we will just continue the rest next meeting. Alright? So, any questions so far?
Sir, yung mga activities pa magiging multiple choice.
Multiple choice naman sila lahat. Para hindi
Okay,
na
sir.
magulo.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so just wait for my announcement. Maybe mamayang gabi pa kasi 7 to 7 yung klase ko ngayon. And mag-assist pa ako sa UC mamaya. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank
yeah.
you, sir.
So, see ya next meeting on Thursday. Any other question? Okay, so to those who doesn't have a question anymore, so you may now go. And then
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye. How about you, Mr. Paran and Miss Sophia? Do you guys have a concern or a question? All right. So goodbye then. So see you guys next meeting. I don't know kung may question si Miss Sophia.